Welcome back, everyone. Mani, what a great show. You know, as females, we're often very, self-absorbed and self-consumed, but to have two amazing gentlemen on our show who have provided so much wisdom, we're very blessed.
We are blessed, and I hope you guys equally enjoy the shows as much as we do, and especially, in both segments, I'm taking so much away. I've learned so much today.
Yeah. And a new appreciation of men in general.
Yes, and especially, with the book, Why Men Don't Cry, and learning both
Why Dads Don't
aspects.
Cry.
Why Dads, sorry.
Yes.
Why Dads Don't Cry. And I'm just waiting for my
copy to arrive.
And I just ordered it last night. And at that time, I was thinking maybe it's a good read for my son. But after talking to Michael today, I realized, it's a good read, for everybody,
everyone,
because it's, as we discussed during our segment, was that it's just there as like two sides for every person, male and female. So every person has the feminism and
feminine and masculine aspects of ourselves, and especially in this day and age when women are doing so much. I know they're often critiqued for being too masculine, too aggressive. Absolutely. So I'm certain that we could, as females, pick up lots and lots of tips.
And same thing for the dads too. We see for the men also. Not just the dads, for the men in general. We need to see there's nothing wrong showing their feminine side. Their soft side.
I kind of like it.
Yes, absolutely. Look at it, Justin Trudeau. Okay.
Don't we love him?
Absolutely, absolutely. Every
Not
time
saying that he's overly effeminate or anything.
And he's a perfect balance. I'm just using him as an example. Okay. Yes. Speaking of my crushes, another thing on the show. Okay.
We'll be discussing that on another show, Mani's crushes, because I know we've had input for matchmaking. What else do you have to input? What are your suggestions? What are the shows that you want us to bring to you?
There you go.
There we go.
Maybe this could be one of them, right?
Yes, absolutely. And thank you so much for joining us as always. We will have lots of more health-related shows coming up for you, and whatever else it is that you want to hear. So keep that feedback coming in. And until next time, goodbye and God bless.
Goodbye.